Rita, good morning. My name's Alese and I'm going to be your internet representative over here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. Thank you so much for your online interest in the Honda CRV. Their website wasn't real specific on exactly what you were looking for, but we're Alabama's largest volume Honda dealer, so we have anything you could possibly hope for, all of your options, all the trim levels, colors, used, new, whatever your personal needs are. I cannot wait to show you this vehicle in person and some of the super amazing features that it has. Give me a call to set up your VIP appointment. My number is 205-719-7191. Again, my name is Alese, and when you do make it into Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.